Hello there, and in this video we are talking about proportional versus non-proportional relationships. Now let me put on my psychology glasses right here. Now relationships can be proportional or non-proportional. Let's only keep the proportional ones, alright? Those are the healthy relationships. So in order to tell that a relationship is proportional, you have a fraction set with a fraction. Are they equal to each other? Let's go ahead and find out. What you want to do is cross multiply. What's 1 times 12? 12. What's 6 times 2? 12. You see how 12 equals 12? Now that is a proportional relationship. Very good. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this next one. 1/3 to 2/8. Is that proportional? Let's check. Go ahead and cross multiply. 1 times 8 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. They do not equal each other. So that is not a proportional relationship. You need to stay away from those sort of relationships. Surround yourself with proportional ones. Now another type of relationship that we need to look at is a proportional graphing relationship. I'd like to ask you a personal question. Have you ever looked at a graph of proportional relationships? Let's go ahead and take a look at those, okay? This is called a table. We have an X column and a Y column. Are these proportional? Let's check. So how did I get from 1 to 2? You multiplied by 2. How did I get from 2 to 4? Again, multiplied by 2. 3 to 6, multiply by 2, and 4 to 8, multiply by 2. So since for every single one you multiplied by 2, that is a proportional relationship. Let's take a look at this one. Here again we have our X column and our Y column. How did I get from 1 to 4? Multiplied by 4. How did I get from 3 to 12? Multiplied by 4. How did I get from 6 to 24? Multiplied by 4. How did I get from 9 to 36? Multiplied by 4. And this also is a proportional relationship. And again, we only want to surround ourselves with proportional relationships. And now for your benefit, let's go ahead and look at a non-proportional graph. So here we have an XY table again, and this time, how did I get from 1 to 6? Multiply by 6, that's fine, We haven't analyzed anything else yet. How did I get from 2 to 10? Here's our issue. You multiply by 5 this time. So here, you multiply by 6, and then here, you multiply by 5. See how these are different? You're not multiplying by the same value, and that is what makes this a non-proportional table, and we do not want to have those in our lives. I hope this lesson was quite beneficial to you, and remember, only surround yourselves with proportional relationships. Well, there you go. Surround yourselves with proportional relationships, guys. Just remember, as long as it's multiplying by the same number, you're good to go. If it's not proportional, not multiplying across by consistently the same number, get it out, not proportional. Boom, there you go.